We're on the BVA hydraulic stand with Glenn. Welcome. Thank you for
Good
talking
afternoon,
to
even.
us. Good afternoon. We're losing track of time.
I've lost track of life the last 3 days. I'm very tired.
That must mean you've been busy, which I take it as good.
Today's been very, very good. The first 2 days were slightly quiet, but we've received 2 or 3 very big orders, which makes it good. I could have had 300 or 400 people in if only 3 had placed orders. It would have been good, but it hasn't been that way. Everybody that's come on has been here specifically to see the product, and since being here today, we've had about 18,000 quid's worth of orders from people that were in yesterday. So pretty good. We've got 2 main competitors, one an American and one from the UK, but we're new to this market. The range is quite exciting. We produce everything we make. As an example, this pump in here, this is a new type of torque wrench pump with lightweight motors, basically adjustable to do anything you want. Multiple heads on it, so you can run multiple systems. And this has been introduced alongside the new bolt tensioners. These are the bolt tensioners. These work at 15,000 psi, operated from a 15,000 psi hand pump. Very simple, very easy to use, and familiar to the marketplace, but once again, made by ourselves. Top quality. I've been working with these people for 7 years now, and I've never had a single item returned through bad quality.
But you've been working in this industry for a lot longer.
42 years. 42 years. And I'm only 16.
Yeah, I can tell that, yeah.
So the other products we're introducing is pad eye testers, because the legal requirement changes that every pad eye tester has to be tested every 6 months. Every pad eye, I should say. So when they're lashing down on the ships, you need to physically test that pad eye, because they're strapping and lashing things down. So whether it be a ship, an oil rig, even a truck, you have to test them. And this is one of the ways to do it. Drop it over the top, pin it through, wind the capstan down, which takes up the slack, and then you only need to pull a few mil to get up to 60 tons, or whatever pressure you want to test that it up to that. So the range from then is hand pumps, aluminium hand pumps, air hydraulic pumps, double acting. We're introducing the new mini brushless pump. So manifolds, components, hollow bore cylinders. This is a job for the Navy. We brought the cylinder up. This will be a mini pad eye tester for testing the lash down points on the new carriers. So we've got an order for 3 of them off them at the moment. And we're introducing a new digital gauge, which has a digital tracing. So what happens is, this gauge here can go on the job and it's data logged, so you can download the information from the back of the gauge, put it into your computer and log all the information from it. You can track it, you can tell peak pressure, base pressure, temperatures, etc., and form it in a printout graph. So if you're doing calibrated certificates, you can give the physical printed evidence to it.
The innovation in this is incredible.
Well, you've got to relate hydraulics to the human body. It's only limited by the user's imagination. If you equate it to the body, the hydraulics is the physical effort, the electronics that's coming in now and operating it is the brains behind it. So it allows you to put immense pressure on anything. We can miniaturize, it's 700 bar, and hold a 50-ton cylinder in the palm of your hand. That one's 10 ton, so that just sits in your hand. You can't do that in low pressure stuff. I'd need a crane to hold it. So the beauty of it, it's miniaturized and it's portable and it's easy to use. And lightweight, we're introducing a lot more aluminium kit at the minute. But we've got innovative items like this. This is popular and been a lot of interest. If you're lifting from a very low profile, because you can only get this underneath, say it's a power generator on a rig, and you need to lift it high, you lift it in stages and you put the magnet plates on it. One, put your packet in, drop it again, put your next one in. So you're going from a very small height to a large height from a very small cylinder. But that's all you could get in at the beginning of that cylinder. So you're jacking up in stages and then packing. Simple, but we're the only people that do it.
Well, I'm not coming from a place of great understanding, but thank you very much for explaining the products to me in such easy terms, and I'm really delighted to hear that the event has been a success, it's been fruitful for you.
Very good. today has been very,
That's
very
great
good.
news.
And genuine orders received. Genuine orders.
Well, congratulations on that, and thank you for talking to us. Thank
Well,
you,
that's
Glenn.
the purpose of the whole thing, isn't it? Thank you.